mad.
Hmm?
She mad.
Why?
Because she in the crib. I got the camera rolling right now. So, of course, you'll be hearing me having a conversation with your daddy on the camera. What are we mad at? What? Your feelings is hurt? Tell daddy say something to you. Baby. Babe.
Yeah.
Say something to her.
Carissa. Hey. Carissa. Carissa.
Ain't she get ready to start crying, and right when you, the first time she went to crying, you said, Carissa, like that. And she turned around and looked like, okay. And then she was about to just cry in, and you was like, hey. Alright, mommy gonna turn off the record button. Sorry, people, we were talking to daddy on the phone.